So Jamaica just missed a tsunami by the skin of their teeth. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake happened a few hours ago, which caused Jamaica to be under tsunami advisory. And Jamaica had been monitoring the situation after early Tuesday night a magnitude 7.6 earthquake struck in the Caribbean Sea between the coast of Honduras and the Cayman Islands, causing officials to warn people around the region to be alert to the threat of a possible tsunami surges. Advisors have been issued stressing that people in Puerto Rico, the Cayman Islands, Cuba, Jamaica, and other Caribbean islands, as well as the coast of Mexico and Central America, should be aware of tsunami danger. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center had indicated that the sea level could rise from a foot to 3 above normal. So I've never heard of Jamaica getting a tsunami warning, and a lot of people have never experienced a tsunami in Jamaica. So the way how a tsunami occurs is most tsunamis are caused by large earthquakes below or near the ocean floor, but they can also be caused by landslides, volcano activity, and certain types of weather activities. So the tectonic plate shift causing an earthquake, displaying water. As they approach the shore, they slow down and gain height. Waves can travel unnoticed at high speed. The highest tsunami wave could be up to 30 meters high. So you can have a wave that's higher than a building hit Jamaica. And a lot of people are saying that it could be HAARP, and HAARP is controlling the weather. And people on social media saying that it's because all the things that have been happening in Jamaica, like all the crime and all the violence, and Jamaicans need to take heed and all that. But I feel like this has a lot to do with global warming and the time and day we're living in, and also it has something to do with HAARP also, in my personal opinion. So I want in the comment section for you guys to tell me what you guys think. Do you think it's because of HAARP? Do you think it's because of global warming? Do you think it's just a sign from God that Jamaica need to take heed and actually brighten up their country and make some changes, because there's a lot of crime, there's a lot of violence that's been happening in Jamaica? But a few hours ago they got updated that Jamaica is no longer in possible danger for a tsunami, and your Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, updated on Twitter and said Jamaica is officially not under threat from a tsunami. And I also saw it, another news update on CNN, and it says where the earth, and it says there is no, this is from CNN, there is no longer a tsunami threat for the Caribbean and Central America after a magnitude 7.6 earthquake struck 27 miles off the coast of Honduras. And that was last updated, CNN was last updated 2 hours ago, and now it's actually 12:22 p.m. That's Texas time. So I think it's about 1:22 in Jamaica on the 10th. If this tsunami would have hit Jamaica, it would have been devastating. And tsunamis don't come and they always take lives and destroy people's livelihood and houses and all that. So if this tsunami would have hit Jamaica, it would have been a terrible disaster. Okay, so I want my people in the comment section to tell me if you think it's HAARP controlling the weather. Do you think it's global warming that caused this earthquake? Do you think that this is just a warning for Jamaica and Jamaican people on a whole to take heed, especially in Jamaica with all the crime and violence that has been happening? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuces.